Hi, I'm Joe Siegel, and I'm the author of Loving My Side Hustle, a book to help you create your side hustle so you can create a life that you love. Get free of the 9 to 5 grind and live a life that gives you some sweet peace of mind. Enjoy this video about how to free your mind from money blocking mindsets and create the life that you want to live. Let's look at how to let go of money-blocking ideas that keep you poor and hold you back from achieving the life that you want to live. Success doesn't come from hard work. It comes from hard choices. Most of the choices we make are actually made by our subconscious mind based on things we've learned as children and young adults. If you want to learn what some of these unhelpful recurring ideas and choices are that keep us from living the life we want to live, look at the problems you have right now. Do you always struggle with not having enough money? Do you have problems with an unpleasant boss or a job that makes you unhappy that you hate going to every day? If you feel stuck in these cycles of problems, it is in large part due to your subconscious mental programming that is restraining your growth and success. The beliefs we hold can either propel us forward or keep us stagnant. You deserve your financial freedom. You are worthy of happiness, good health, and financial security. You don't have to be stuck in a cycle of debt, work, and worry. Creating a side hustle you love is about creating a life that you love. To do that, you have to learn to love yourself and accept yourself fully and unconditionally. You will need to practice letting go of ideas that you picked up from your parents or others when you were young that stand in the way of your financial freedom. I wrote the book Loving My Side Hustle to help encourage you and others who are looking to create a better life free of the negativity and worry of the 9 to 5 grind. I have studied with some of the nation's top personal development and motivational leaders, as well as a number of wise and amazing Native American shamans. I learned quite a lot about the power of our mind and emotions to heal us, to empower us, and help us manifest a meaningful, good life. I learned that each of us must walk our own path, but that we are all connected and important. You are important. We are all fragile, and at the same time, we are immensely powerful and capable of greatness. You are capable of greatness. There is greatness within you. So whatever you do, please do not let your false ideas about money and wealth keep you from a great life and good health. Think of being a side hustle entrepreneur as if you're on a journey to an exciting new destination in your great new life. It is going to be a journey that is filled with inspiration, learning, and great abundance. You are enough. There is enough for you to have enough and enjoy great prosperity. And your having wealth and prosperity is a way you can help and empower others. In fact, the way you get wealth and prosperity is by helping and empowering others. You are worthy. Here's how to recognize and overcome common money-blocking mindsets so you could be happy and successful and create a side hustle and a great life that you love. But wealthy people are all greedy. Let go of that idea that wealthy people are selfish and greedy, and remember, as the great Zig Ziglar said, you can have everything in life that you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. But I don't have enough money to succeed, you might think. As Tony Robbins often emphasizes, it's not about the resources, but about your resourcefulness. But I'm too old to start now, you might feel. Age is just a number. Your experience and your wisdom are invaluable. But I'm too young and inexperienced. The most successful people in the world all started out just where you are. An ancient Chinese proverb says, the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Other people are better. Les Brown says, someone else's success does not subtract from your own. Focus on your journey. But I'm not good looking enough to succeed. The great writer, philosopher Wayne Dyer believed in our inner radiance, the part of us that always shines. People recognize that and appreciate it. Your inner radiance is more powerful than you can imagine and will help you to achieve anything that you set your mind to achieve. Your value isn't determined by your looks, but by the impact that you make. But I'm not smart enough to succeed. You are smart enough to have survived every lesson in life you've encountered so far, which means you are smart enough to have enough of all that you need and that you can imagine. Money is a symbol of the exchange of ideas and energy. It's a way you can do more good in the world for more people. Download the book Loving My Side Hustle at lovingmysidehustle.com so you can write a new story for your life that lets you be happy and free. It's time to take a look at all of these notions you've held on to about money and challenge them. Let go of the ones that hold you
your
back.
History is not your
live
destiny.
your life on
You
your
get to
terms.
write your own story.
Believe in your dreams and take action towards them every day, and you will succeed in amazing ways. Wayne Dyer, the great writer and philosopher, said, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. So look at yourself as someone who is a creator of content, not a consumer of content. Look at yourself as someone who creates their own story and destiny and who claims your financial freedom to live your life on your terms, to be able to have enough money to spend your time with your loved ones, to better yourself and live the great life that you are worthy of living. You could do that with the skills and resources that we share in our new book, Loving My Side Hustle. I hope you'll download it. The notes to where you can get the book are in the description of this video. We will send you this valuable book instantly. Visit lovingmysidehustle.com and change your life for the better today. By letting go of your old money-blocking mindsets and embracing your sweet as honey prosperity mindsets, you can achieve anything that you set your heart and mind on doing. If you want to make more money and get your financial freedom and leave the 9-to-5 grind behind, then this would be a great time to subscribe to this channel so you can make sure you get the next helpful video to help you achieve your goals and dreams. And download our book at lovingmysidehustle.com.